Being 20 years old makes me feel super proud and almost relieved, because I feel like 20 is such a milestone. We're not a startup anymore, we're not in single digits. Like 20 years, it's a real achievement. We didn't pick antennas picked us. We saw the potential immediately. The minute we started selling GPS antennas, coming as a salesman, I found it the easiest thing to sell. And as soon as we delivered successfully on the GPS antenna, we were asked almost every time, do you do cellular antennas as well? The answer was always yes, and we figured out how to do custom cellular antennas. In fact, we were the first company that successfully certified a non-cell phone or smartphone device on AT&T's network with an embedded cellular antenna. So that was one of our claim to fame all the way back in 2006. We really want to be the premier antenna solutions provider. We want to be the thought that customers have when they need the best performing RF solution. We've been able to expand it beyond antennas now, which is really exciting. But at the end of the day, I think it starts with the antenna. We have an international team of almost 400 people, 8 facilities globally, and we offer 24-hour support. We have an award-winning website that's constantly evolving and being updated with all the latest and greatest tools and techniques and AI, so that customers can quickly and easily find the product that's right for them. We get complimented all the time on our vast array of products that we have, how relevant our products are, how easy it is to do business with Taoglas, how responsive our team are, how innovative our engineering are. That's what makes me really proud. We're a place that people want to come and stay. We don't lose customers once they've done business with Taoglas. We're not just focused in one specific area. We're in small devices, large devices, medical devices, we're in space, we're in vehicles, trucks, we're in schools. We're in all aspects of connected life. It really excites me and makes us proud of what we've done in all areas of the business. From winning that customer through marketing on our website by salespeople going out and convincing the customer that we're the best place to come, and then it's over to engineering by proving to the customer that we are the best, and then customer service and finance and HR kind of maintaining that winning culture by keeping the customer happy throughout the journey. But it's something that you never stop doing. It's something that always evolves. Things change, expectations change from people as they come in, so we have to keep evolving and adapting to that. It's a fast-paced environment. We work hard and we play hard, but I want people to enjoy working here and feel proud that they work at Taoglas.